You all are fine? Yes. Children, today I will take third class English. So everyone take out English textbook, children. So Collins Grammar and Composition 3. So English textbook. Open, children, see page number 97, 28 lesson Clever Tenali. Yes, children, Clever Tenali. Lesson 28. Clever Tenali. So ready, children? Read the passage carefully. Tenali was a famous jester in the court of Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagar. So children, here Tenali Raman was a famous jester. Jester means intelligent person, children. So in the court of Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagar. So Tenali Rama in the court of King Krishna Devaraya Vijayanagar. Okay, children, he worked her Krishna Devaraya, children. Okay. Sometimes the king got angry at Tenali because of this foolish behavior. So sometimes sometimes Krishna Devaraya is angry, but Tenali because of foolish behavior. But soon Tenali would make him the law with his jokes. So Tenali sometimes Krishna Devaraya is angry. So Tenali Rama telling some jokes. So Krishna Devaraya is laugh. With these jokes, the king was very fond of him. So the king was very fond of him, children, Tenali Rama. So fond is favorite. So one day a famous magician from the north come to visit Vijayanagar. So one day, children, famous magician come to where, children? North came to visit Vijayanagar. So one day famous magician came from to where, children? North side he came to from where? Vijayanagar. He turned pebbles into gold. So he'll take some pebbles, stones, small stones. He turned the pebbles to gold, create a perfume of the nothing, and could do even the most difficult things. So that magician take some pebbles to magician do that pebble stones and take some water. He's doing that water. His very magic do the perfumes. Everything tricks is doing, children. Is magician. So Krishna Devaraya praised him a lot. So Krishna Devaraya, the magician praised a lot. Wow, it's very nice. The magician said, I am the best. There is no one who is the better than me. So magician says, I am the best. So no one, what, children, is better than me. So magician tells that words. If anyone defeat me, I'll give him my life. So magician, anyone defeat from me, I'll give my full life that person. So magician tell. After the magician left, Krishna Devaraya become quiet. So after the magician left, so Krishna Devaraya is quiet. So nothing. So that magician tell now, what I am the best. No one is better for me. So Krishna Devaraya quiet. So then he went to Tenali, said, can you defeat the magician? Tenali said. So Krishna Devaraya tell to Tenali, what, you defeat this magician? You defeat this magician? Krishna Devaraya tell to Tenali. So Tenali said, yes, I'll defeat the magician. The same day he found the magician and told him, you can't do with your eyes open what I can easily do with eyes shut. So Tenali that same day he found the magician and told him. So Tenali Rama went to magician and told him what he told, you can do with your eyes open what I can easily do with eyes shut. So Tenali said, you can't do your eyes open. You can't do your eyes open, but I can easily do that my eyes shut. Understood, children? The magician got very angry. He said that he could do it much better than Tenali. So magician said, I could do it better than. So he failed when you could give up his life. So I'll fail, I'll give my life full. Both of them reached the king's court. So both of them reached Tenali Rama king courts. So Tenali took out of the box of chili powder. He shut his eyes tightly and put chili powder on the both eyes. So children, Tenali took some chili powder and his eyes shed. Tenali eyes shed. So next chili powder both his eyes is Tenali Rama. So actually, so Tenali Rama's eyes shed children here. So he waited like for a few minutes and removed the powder from his eyes. So eyes shed 5 minutes. So that the powder is eyes. Then they told the magician do the same with eyes open. So then he told the magician. So Tenali opened the eyes. So Tenali tell. So same way do your eyes open. Okay, children, the magician thought, but could not find a way to do it. At the last, he said, I give you, defeat me, my head is yours. So, Tenali magician says, do children? No. So, open eyes and chili powder is good children? No. So, magician said, I am sorry, I could not this one. So, at last he said, I gave you, defeat me. So, you defeat for me. So, my head is yours. Krishnadeva was happy now and let the magician go. He also gave Tenali gold coins for his cleverness. So Krishnadeva is so much happy, and Krishnadeva gave so many gold coins for who children? Tenali Rama. So his cleverness. Understood children this lesson? Yes. So now children, next match the words in their meanings. A, B children. Match the words in there with the meanings children. So first be matching children. A1, first one, jester. Words and meanings. So first one is what children? Jester. A big. So second one is was found of him. So third one jokes. Fourth one deafened. Fifth one quote. Okay. So here meaning children. A, place where kings and queens meet common people. Okay children, so B1 with against someone. So C1 liked him. So D1 short funny stories. So E1 a person who made the king laugh. So now children, matching. Okay. So first one is what children? Jester. Jester means a place who made the king laugh. Was found him. So liked him. Jester means what, children? A person who made jester, a person who made the king laugh was found of him. What, children? Liked him. C1. So third one is jokes, short funny stories. D. Defect, win against someone. Court, a place where the king and queens meet the common place. So one more time, see, children. Jester. Jester means E. A person who made the king laugh. First one is E. Okay, children. So second one was fond of him. So second one is C. Liked him. So third one is jokes. Jokes means D. Short funny stories. Okay, children. So fourth one is defect. Defects means B. Win against someone. So fifth one is court. A place where king and queens meet common people. So matching, children, in your textbook. Yes, children, finish. So second bit, what is the second bit? B bit, children. See. Yes. Answer question briefly. So everyone take out your classwork book and write question answers, children. B bit. What is the magician say about himself? What did the children? Question answers. Question and answers, children. This is right in your classwork book. What did the magician say about himself? So write answer, children. So everyone take out your classwork book and write neatly, children. Question answers. So first question and first answer. The magician said that he was the best, and if anyone could beat me, beat him, he would give him his life. His life. So first question, first answer, children. You write in your classwork book. Okay, children. So second question. What is the second question? Who was Tenali? Who was Tenali? Who was Tenali, children? Yeah, Tenali was a famous jester. Tenali famous jester in the court of King Krishna Devaraya. King Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagara. Yes. So write neatly in your classroom book, children. What did the magician say about himself? The magician said that he was the best of, and if anyone could beat him, he would give him his life. Who was Tenali? Tenali was a famous jester in the court of King Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagara. Okay, children. So next third one, what did Tenali tell the magician? So next, children, third question, what did Tenali tell the magician? What did Tenali tell the magician, children? Third answer. Tenali told the magician that he could do something with the eyes, shed with the magician who did not be able to with these open eyes. Tenali told the magician that he could do some things with his eyes shut, which the magician would not be able to do with his eyes open. With his eyes open. Okay, children, what did the Tenali tell the magician? Tenali told the magician that he could do something with his eyes. Okay, children, shed with the magician would not be able to with his eyes open. So, fourth question, children, what did the king give Tenali? What did the king give Tenali? What did they give the Tenali, children? King? Tenali. So, answer is fourth answer. The king gave Tenali gold coins for his cleverness. The king gave Tenali Tenali gold coins. The king gave Tenali gold coins for his cleverness. Write neatly in your class workbook, children. Yes. So finish, children. What did the king give the Tenali? The king gave Tenali gold coins for his cleverness. So question answers write in your class workbook, children. Okay. So next C bit, true or false. So first one, Krishna Devaraya was the king of Vijayanagara. So answer is true. For second one, the king was always angry with Tenali. True. Angry with Tenali. True. Third one, Tenali was very clever. Sorry, children. Second one, false. So third one is the Tenali was very clever. True. Fourth one, Tenali could do better magic than the other magician. False. So fifth one, children, Krishna Devaraya asked Tenali to defeat the magician. True. Ask children. So sixth one, the magician could not do what Tenali asked him to do. True. So write true or false in your textbook, children. Finish, children. So next, D bit. D bit, children. Find the opposites of these words in the story. So children, here we'll find here opposite words. So cry, night, open. So we'll write here cry opposite, night opposite and open opposite, children. So first one is cry. So cry opposite what, children? Cry opposite laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. So second one, night. Night opposite what, children? Day. So third one, open. Open opposite close. So write neatly, children. Cry, laugh, night, day, open, close. Finish, children. See, children, E bit. Add capital letters, full stops, question marks in the sentence correctly. So, children, here sentence gave. So, we'll write here capital letters, full stops, and question marks in the sentence correctly. So, capital letter, full stop, question mark. So we'll here write this sentence, will here write capital letters, sentence and full stop, children. So ready? Yes. E-bit. First capital letter, children. Krishna Devaraya. So next capital letter, Devaraya. Was the king of Vijayanagara. Capital letter, children, V. So last, full stop. Okay, children. Second one, Da, capital letter, Da, magician. Magician could do even the most difficult tricks. Full stop. Okay, children. So next, third one, Tenali, T capital letter. Tenali promised the king that he would defeat the magician. Magician. So full stop. C-I-A-N, magician. So full stop. Okay, children. So next, fourth one, Krishna Devaraya. So capital letter, K-R-I-S-H. Next, Krishna, D. Was a wise king. Full stop. So fifth one, scan, C-A-N. So capital letter C. Can you defeat the magician? So what is here, children? Question mark. Okay, children. So write neatly in your classwork book. Krishna Devaraya was the king of Vijayanagara. Full stop. The magician could do even the most difficult tricks. Full stop. Tenali promised the king that he would defeat the magician. Full stop. Krishna Devaraya was a wise king. Full stop. Can you defeat the magician? Question mark. So children, completed. Finish children, E-bit. So children, your 28th lesson Clever Tenali is completed. So write Sakshi in your textbook, children. Okay. Complete your notes and textbook. Complete your notes and textbook. Okay, children, complete your notes and textbook. Sakshi. Sakshi, write in your textbook only. So when your notes and textbook completed, children, you take the photo and send me school email ID. Children, I'll check your notes and textbook for video calling. Okay, children. So children, bye. We'll meet you next class. Take care.